In 2013, two teenagers from opposite sides of the Atlantic, who had never met before, found themselves united by a common cause. Their target? The most powerful intelligence agency in the world, the CIA. This is the thrilling story of two young hackers who decided to challenge the might of the US government. It all began with a bombshell. Edward Snowden, a former NSA contractor, leaked classified information that sent shockwaves around the globe. Snowden's revelations exposed a chilling truth. The CIA was secretly collecting data on every internet user, tracking their every move without their knowledge. The public was outraged, but among those most enraged were two teenage hackers. One was a tech-savvy gamer from the United States, and the other, a rebellious youth from England. Before 2013, these two teenagers were strangers, connected only by their mutual fascination with hacking. But Snowden's explosive disclosures ignited a fire within them. Fueled by a sense of justice and defiance, they decided to join forces and teach the US government a lesson it would never forget. Their first move was audacious and bold. They targeted James Clapper, the Director of National Intelligence. In a daring act, they publicly shared Clapper's personal phone number, making it available to anyone. This was merely the opening salvo. Next on their hit list was an even more formidable target, John Brennan, the director of the CIA. The mastermind hacker scoured the internet, hunting for any clue about Brennan. After locating a phone number that was publicly listed but rarely used, he posed as a Verizon employee. Claiming there was a technical issue with Brennan's account, he effortlessly convinced tech support to divulge Brennan's personal details. With the stolen information, the hacker executed a meticulously planned attack. He breached Brennan's personal email account and uncovered a treasure trove of sensitive documents, top-secret files, CIA offices' data, and classified government instructions. By the time Brennan realized his account had been compromised, the hacker had already downloaded everything. The hacker began leaking the stolen data in a relentless drip feed to the public. The United States was thrown into chaos. The CIA, desperate to contain the fallout, launched an all-out manhunt for the hackers. But the digital ghosts were nowhere to be found. A few days later, the hacker delivered a devastating blow. He released the personal information of 9,000 Department of Justice employees and 20,000 FBI agents on social media. The US government faced unprecedented humiliation, while the hacker, now infamous, continued his life with an unnerving sense of invincibility. Yet, beneath the bravado, tension brewed. The US hacker, consumed by fear of being caught, began to crack under the pressure. The harsh reality of potential consequences loomed large, casting a dark shadow over his thoughts. In a moment of reckless overconfidence, the US hacker confided his role in the CIA breach to a friend. The confession spread, and it wasn't long before the FBI came knocking. The hacker was swiftly arrested, and under interrogation, he revealed his partner's real identity. With British police closing in, the other hacker was apprehended shortly thereafter. The two teenagers, who once believed they could outsmart the world, now faced the full force of the law. Kane Gamble, the English hacker, received a 2-year prison sentence due to his age. Justin Gray Lieberman, the US hacker, faced a 5-year term. Today, both are free and have redirected their skills towards cybersecurity. But their story stands as a stark reminder of the razor-thin line between hero and criminal in the digital age. What do you think? Were these teenagers justified in their actions, or did they cross a dangerous line? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more riveting stories from the world of hacking and beyond. See you in the next video. History Unveiled.